Welcome, everyone, to this guided meditation. I'm Mary Beth Rim. And before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you'll find more meditations, tools, and practices to support your performance, wellness, and resilience. Today, this meditation is called Breath as Fuel. It's about learning to channel your breath, not just for calm, but as a source of real energy and power. Whether you're preparing for a workout, stepping into a competition, or navigating a high-pressure moment at work or in your life, your breath can be your fuel. So think of it this way. Every inhale brings in vitality, oxygen, and clarity. Every exhale clears away heaviness, stress, and distraction. With training, you can turn this natural rhythm into a performance tool. So again, settle in. Find a comfortable seated position. Sit tall but not rigid, and let your shoulders soften. Let your hands rest on your thighs or gently fold them in your lap. And close your eyes if you'd like, if that's safe or comfortable for you. If not, then lower your gaze. Take a slow inhale in through your nose. And release it gently through your mouth. Notice your body settling. Notice the quiet inside this moment. Bring your awareness to the flow of your breathing. Don't change it yet. Just observe the rise of the inhale, the fall of the exhale. Imagine each inhale as a wave of energy washing through your body, and each exhale as that wave carrying away fatigue, tightness, and distraction. Now let's work with a rhythm. We'll use an inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. This pattern energizes your body while calming your mind, the perfect combination for performance. So let's begin together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's continue this again. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue this rhythm at your own pace. Notice how the inhale fills your body, like drawing fuel into a fire. And notice how the exhale clears the space, like a steady release that makes room for more energy to enter. Now, as you breathe in this rhythm, begin to picture yourself in motion. Maybe you see yourself running. Each inhale fueling your stride. Each exhale releasing tension from your shoulders. Maybe you're cycling. Breathe, syncing with the power in your legs. Maybe you're in a meeting or presentation. Each inhale, grounding your focus. Each exhale, carrying away nerves. Breath is your rhythm. Breath is your pace. Breath is your anchor. With each inhale, imagine your body filling with bright, radiant energy, a light that flows into your muscles, your heart, your mind. With each exhale, imagine letting go of heaviness, tightness, or any thoughts that do not serve you. Feel your breath as pure fuel, energizing and sustaining you, moment after moment. let's reflect for a moment. Notice, how does your body feel right now? More open? More alive? More steady? Let yourself take stock. This is the effect of breath awareness. And this is a resource you can use anytime. Now begin to bring your awareness back to your seated posture. Feel the energy you've cultivated, the calm, the focus, the fuel. Know that this practice is not just for meditation. You can use it before a run, before an important call, or whenever you need to steady yourself and energize your performance. Take one final deep inhale and hold it, and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this energy forward into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me in this Breath as Fuel meditation. And once again, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more guided practices, tools, and conversations about wellness, performance, and mind-body connection. Your breath is always with you. Use it as fuel. I'm Mary Beth Rim. Until next time.